Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and oh my goodness, I just got my absolute very first happy mail of my life, and I totally started to open it, and then I thought I should just record it. So this is from a lady named Jen, and thank you so much. And she lives in Florida, and this is as far as I got. It started with this little note, and I truly almost don't know what's in it, but I did peek and see these brushes, and thought, because I thought to myself, did I order something? And no, I didn't. It was just a nice, wanted to send you a note. Happy mail. And so she sent me these brushes. This is, actually, let me get the note. Let me just get the note because it was so nice. Hi, Erin. I decided to send out some happy mail today and thought you might like to be the recipient of it. Hope you enjoy the goodies. Have a fantastic day from Jen from Rough Stones Workshop. And I thought that was so sweet. So thank you so much. So we're going to give these brushes a try. I have never used these kind of brushes before, but I've seen lots of stuff about them, so we'll see. And then this is what made me get the camera. Is I opened this up. Look how nice it's all packaged. And when I pulled this out, I was like, "Oh my goodness, there's more to come." I just already know. Look. Laser cut craft words. They look like little wood type things. Happy birthday and celebrate and memory and amazing. And there's a couple in there. See, I've got all kinds of cool ideas already. This is the most fun day. At first, when I saw the guy coming across the grass, I thought he was bringing me a big bill I was going to have to pay, but it's much better. What's in this? It says, please mind my sharp edges. I can see it through the thing. Please mind my sharp edges. Sharp edges. Oh, little metal tags. Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh my goodness, little chalkboard mason jars. Look. Oh my gosh, they're double-sided. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to go quick because oh my gosh. Laser cut tags. Look at those. Can you see them? Oh my goodness. Oh, I see. No, this is, oh, wow. Nifty. These are like aluminum type Christmas tags. Oh boy. This is going to be amazing. This is going to be amazing. I have never gotten happy mail before, not just for because. This is the nicest thing ever. What's in here? Oh, look. A little jump ring. Oh, cool, to hold them all together. Little ribbons. Little ribbon pieces. Aww. So nice. All held together with a pin. Let's see what else we've got here. Is this? Oh my gosh. Look at these fibers. Oh man. That's going to be cool on a mini album. Oh, with some of these other tags too. Wow. Let's see. I'm trying to move quickly. Oh, nice lacy ribbon. Ooh, it looks like it's been inked or dyed. I can't believe it would come that way, but if it came that way, that's cool too. I have the perfect paper in mind to use with that. Cool for spring. I like all these little sacks. It's so fun. What's in here? Oh my goodness. Metal. Oh my gosh. Wow. Metal snowflakes, charms. Oh my gosh. So fun. What's this? Oh, little like drawer pulls. brads, silver brads, drawer pulls. I love the drawer pulls. Oh my gosh, and they're brads. Oh my goodness. So fun. I want to use waxes on that. That's what I want to use. And opal paints on that. That's what I want to do. What's this? What is it? Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh, it looks like a, hold on, I don't know what it is. I'm not sure. It looks like something. Well, wait, what a statement, huh? Everything looks like something. Oh no. Oh, it's a little thing. Look, you can put, look at that. You can put little things. It's like a little thing. I don't know the word for it. Look at that, like a little globe thing with a thing. Oh my goodness. Wow, you can make little mini things. Oh my gosh, I have a ton of ideas. This is so fun. What's in here? No, I'll save the big ones for last. This one, what's in this one? It sounds like a jewelry cupboard. Oh my gosh, metal keys. I don't have any metal keys at all. Oh, look, little hands. What do they say? Handmade. How clever. Little pins, friendship pins and beads. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the keys. What's this? Little things. Brads with the little, like, they're little clear things that can go on top. I see how they're supposed to go. More of these in gold. Nice charms. Oh my gosh, I have like the perfect paper in mind. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's a little, I feel like I'm at a loss for words. I keep saying little thing, but I don't know what to call them. They're like little capsule things. Oh my. It'd be like something you see where you put, like, just put one flower in it, you know, and keep like a little keepsake thing. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. So nice. What is next? Oh my goodness. Little, oh. Where do these come from? I've never seen them before. Wow. Where are they from? They're from here. These are so great. I've never seen them before. Little chipboard. Boy, that would be the perfect accent. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh. Look at that flower. Look at these flowers. I could totally see. Oh my goodness. I know exactly what I'm going to do. I have this rice paper. That's what I'm thinking of. I have this rice paper that I could totally see going over top of these. Painting it, using micro beads over it. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's in this one. What's this? Chalkboard crop it stickers. What does that mean? Oh, it looks like a sheet of, like a chalkboard sheet of something, and then I could use dies and cut out and make like, that's what it looks like to me. Because it's solid, I don't see any. But it's probably got, sticker would mean it would have adhesive on one side. Oh, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Okay, last one. Uh-oh, I'm not opening this very well. do we have in here? Oh my goodness. Wow. Stuff by Crafters Square. All this stuff, it looks like it's from Crafters Square. Metal pieces. Look at the stacked books. Oh my gosh. This is great. Oh, I have to use this stuff. Rub-on transfers. Boy, I haven't seen rub-ons in a really, really, really long time, and I've never seen rub-ons like this. These are neat. Oh, cool. Oh, boy. Rub-on transfers. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Boy, I remember. I haven't seen rub-on. These look like they're new. I haven't seen rub-ons in so long. Like I said, they've revived rub-ons. This is great. Look at all the types. Alphabet. These birds. I love these in the teacup. Oh, look at that. Look at the fonts. Wow. Oh, and the phrases. I totally know what I'd do with that. Oh, that too. I have the perfect paper to go with it. Wow. What a nice surprise. Thank you so much to Jen. That's so nice. Well, thanks everyone for watching. And thanks again to Jen from Florida for the wonderful Happy Mail. Just wanted to share it with my YouTube family. So thanks so much for subscribing, and definitely stay tuned so you can see what I make with all these wonderful goodies. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, Jen. Bye-bye.